In this wood story, I'm making a heart-shaped salt cellar for Valentine's Day. I started by cutting a big chunk of walnut. Then I used my bandsaw to cut off the lid. I taped it back together using double-sided tape before cutting the shape to size. I used my drill press to remove as much material as possible before using my router with a heart-shaped template. I did a lot of sanding, made some small holes for magnets, and before long, this salt cellar was ready to be gifted for Valentine's Day. If you want to build your own, then check out the full video here.